Alright, so we've done add to cart, remove from cart, sort by all of these options here. Then we've also done checkout. We did checkout yesterday. You click on checkout, you enter some information, and then you continue and finish and go back home. Then we've not touched this part of the application. We have all items, we have about, okay, I guess. Okay, about takes us to another, is there another page now? So we have about, we have logout. So which we are going to explore today in order to finish up with this test. Okay. So we also have, I don't know what this means, reset app state. Okay, I don't think it's taking us anywhere. So all items are reset app state is not taking us anywhere. So we only have about, that takes us here, and then log out. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do about logout. And then I think yesterday we talked about being able to select any product on that page and more than one product on this page, right? We mentioned that. So we also look into that, and I think that will be all after that. Okay, so let's start with so I will call this menu. So you click on the menu. So this is also the cancel button. So let's see. So you inspect and say menu. If you click on it, this is what we have here. So we can copy. I don't know how loud this is. Okay. So we can copy maybe any selector. It is seen here as a button. Button, react, something, and some other open menu. Yeah, so this is a menu. And so we go back to our code page, our IDE, and what should we call that? Probably we should just call that menu. So I will call this menu. Okay. And as usual, you know what to do. You import your libraries. Let's import all this framework and libraries. Copy, import. All right. Then what is the next thing? You declare your web driver, and then you write a constructor for the web driver object. So we can just copy the whole of this. Say menu. Remember, it has to be the same name. So after this, what is the next thing? Then you start writing your web element. Start declaring your web element. So the first thing we want to do is to do the click on menu. You say click on menu. Then we can copy it here. All right. So we have the first add find by CSS. Okay. And you give it a name. Select menu. Okay, so when you select menu, what other thing is there? We have, when you select menu, we have about, we have logout. So we can do about. A click on about, what does it give us? So we have class, an href, all right. Look at an href here. And what other thing? There is a link test here. All right. Hold on. Let me copy out. I want to inspect this somewhere else. Okay. Can you go back? Can you all see my screen? Hello? Hello? Oh, have I been talking to myself? Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, I just want to know which screen you are seeing. Is it the IntelliJ ID page you are seeing?
No, it's still loading now.
Oh, it's loading. Ha.
It's still loading now.
But I've opened the IntelliJ for a while. Can you see it now?
Yes, now.
Okay.
I can see it now.
Just wanted to confirm that. Okay. Let me see. I was just trying to see if there is a way we can do this without making use of the ID. There is an ID here. There is an external link, as you can see, an href here, and we know that what links it to this other link, all right, is the about. Okay, I can see about sidebar link. Okay, so we have about and we have all of that. So let me just say copy. We try CSS selector first, then we'll try another selector. I'm still thinking we can use link test. So I'd find by CSS. I'd find by CSS. Okay. So I have select about. So the select about or about menu. Call this about menu. Then there is logout menu. Say I'll find by. Let's go check the logout. I have logout. Okay. Copy. Okay, so that's a wait. Let me see this logout again. So we have logout. Look at this user. You have the href and the class. Okay, it's the same as about. So so we have that. Okay. So, oh, sorry. Um, mm, mm, mm. Logout. Logout is logout. Okay, so we have logout. Now, these are the things we have here right now. Then we'll start writing the methods for them. So the first thing we want to do is to click on, oh, we are not done. I think there is the close menu too. So we have close menu. So this is a button with IDE. Okay, let's see if we can use IDE this time around for button. So we can say find by IDE. Let's find by IDE. Close menu. Okay, we add burger menu button. We add burger cross button. Oh, really? Okay, so we have that IDE. Then we can write the methods now. We have public void. The first one is click on menu, right? Click menu. So if we say click on menu, what do we have? We have this select menu.
Please, ma, are we recording? Please.
Are we recording? Oh, I thought I was recording. What's going on? Hold on. Yeah, I think. Oh, let me. All right. So yeah, we're recording now. I think we're recording before too, though. All right. So we have select menu dot click. We want to click on that menu. Then we also want to, what are we doing next? Want to click on about menu. So I can repeat this and change this to click about. So I will change this to also the element for click. What is the, I mean for about, which is about menu. Okay, so we can also do this for logout. So we can say logout user and then logout or click, then what other thing, then close menu. You can say menu close, which is menu close. We have this dot click. All right, so those things. So let's check this about again. If you click on about, it takes us to another page, something different. No, and it takes us to this place. How do we go back? Let's see. Let's see. I'm not sure if let me let me check how I can pick the back button of, that's the back button of the browser, right? Oh my god. Okay, because we need to go back to that page when we move out of it. So but if we log out, we will come back to, if we log out, I think it will take us to the login page. Of course, we have what we can do for the login. You can always log in back. However, for okay, hold on. So I'm logged in back. Okay, yeah. I totally forgot. I could use driver navigate back for Selenium. That will solve the whole thing. Alright, so let's do that. So we can do I can put that totally in our test. It can also be here, whichever one. So we've done click on about, click on logout, click on menu, and close. So we go to our test. The first one, maybe let's do logout user. So if we say test 006, 016, verify log out. Okay, so want to log out, then what do you do first? You can just come and import this. Alright, verify logout test. Then we can create our method. Oh, extend base class, then create the method. I can copy this for login. Alright, however I have to extend base class. Extends base class. Okay, now that I've extended base class, I have this, but this is not the test. This is verify logout. So I will put verify logout here, and then also here, and say verify that user can log out successfully. Okay, so we have that. So we have user login, attempting login, logger. Okay, there's a close bracket here. So this user has logged in successfully. Now after this user has logged in successfully, we want this user to be able to click on the menu and then click on logout. So we will say you will instantiate the menu first. Alright, so menu, object equals to the new driver instantiation. Okay, then we have the menu object dot so the first thing we want to do is to log out user. No, not log out user. I think we click on menu first. So we have menu dot click menu and then log out user, because this will read it step by step. All right, so we have, let me put a thread time here and that one here. Okay, so I will run this now and see what we have got. Okay, login, click on menu, log out. All right, so we've logged out this user successfully. Now we are going to try to do about. All right, when user click on the about menu, what do we have? We have 0117 verify about menu. So we have verify about menu. We import and then extend base class. So we have import base class, then import libraries and frameworks, then extend the base class, and then you write the test method here. I just want to copy. Okay, so this user is going to login, click on menu, right? Login, click on menu. At least we are sure that they will log in and click on menu. So come here and say, okay, let's change this to verify about menu. Verify that user can click on about menu. Okay, so we have that. Then now that this user clicks on on the menu, then it will go ahead and click on what? The about menu. So click on about and that is it. So we have click on about menu. All right, let's see what we've got here. Okay. Okay, so all right. So this was what I was saying. It actually got to this page. Let's run it again. So this is it here. It logs in the user, and then the user logs in. It clicks on menu and clicks on about. All right. So that it has clicked on about, then we need to navigate back. So we can say from the test, we can say driver dot navigate back. Okay, Let's see what happens if we run it again. If we execute this again. Logs in the user, menu, about, and then navigate back. Great. So we've been able to work on. Okay, so I think the next thing is to close the menu. So you click on maybe we'll click on the menu and then close it, something like that. So let's do a test for close. Okay, let's separate it. Let's write a test for close menu. Okay, 018. Verify close menu, and then repeat the same thing. Okay, I just want to copy the import. So we have import, extend the base class, then write a test method. So we'll click on menu and then we'll close it. Of course, you can do something else like click on about, log out, and all of that. But you can't click on log out because once you click on log out, I think it will take you to the login page. So I think what you can do is probably click on any other items before you close. That's if you want to include any action before closing the menu. So, but I won't include any action. I'll just say open menu and then close it. Open menu and then close it. So we have, I will rename this to verify closed menu. Okay. Verify that user can click on close button. Okay, so we have that. So once the user clicks on menu, want the user to be able to close it, we have menu close inside the menu page object. So let's do this. Thread this and this. Okay. So we'll run this now. Alright. Login. Open menu, close menu. So that worked. Now I think the next thing we will do is add products, right? One product, two product, pick any product you want to add, just like any user will want to use this and look for the product they want. You can come here and add. Okay, so we will say maybe this. Let's close. There's so many browser instead. Okay, so we'll go back to products page objects, because we are dealing with products now, and the first thing we will do is we'll get the web element. right? I'm still thinking on the logic behind this. Hopefully we will get it. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to this product here. Let's assume I want to select Source Labs both t-shirts. Alright, maybe this one and this one. Okay, then I'll come here and I'll come here and inspect. Okay, so do you notice what I noticed here? So each of these items have a specific ID. So the ID for this one I've selected is item 1 title link. Let's see if we do it for the other one. This one has of course it has, I can see it now. This one has item 5 title link. Item 5 title link. Let's see if that changes for another product. Item 2 title link. Okay. So we have seen one thing we can use. Alright, to differentiate a product. That's the first thing you have to check for. However, all of these are inventory item. All of these are inventory item. Okay. All of these are inventory item, which is like a list. Interesting. Okay, so we have inventory item. So there is a div class inventory item for each of it. Let's check this one. This entire inventory item description. There must be an inventory item for it. Item image. Yes, this is it. Inventory item. The first one, inventory item having class this description. Then there's another one, inventory item for the second one, and then the third, and then the fourth for each product, for all of the products, right? So, and another thing that we can use to differentiate this product is that they all have different product name. Am I right? So there is Source Lab 1C, there is Test or something here. There is Source Lab Bike Light, there is Source. All these names are different. Yep. So we can also make use of, because check for through their product name. So we can check through product name. Another thing we can do is, so after checking through their product, then we can check if after adding to cart, if the product is available, right? Since we are adding more than one product, so we check if the product is available and then add to cart. Otherwise, if it is not available, we move to the next product. All right, so that is something we can do. Okay. Hold on, there's something I want to check for. I just hope that logic will work. Copy CSS selector. Let me see. Inventory. Why? Okay. Okay. Let's do that again. Starting from here. Copy CSS selector. Hold on, let me check something out. This one looks like it's going to be a little bit tricky. We're done. Okay. 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 I think I get the logic now. Let's explain. So we have add to cart on these different products. All right. So the real action is on add to cart. The real action is on add to cart. It is not on the product, even though we have different product names. So I think from the test class perspective, from the test class, we can actually input the kind of products that we want to add. So we can input, like, maybe we want to say sauce lab backpack, sauce lab bike light. So we can like enter it as a string in the tests class. Then from the page object class, we can say create a click on add to cart and make product as a list. All of these products, all right, with their product name as a list. What happened? Okay. Logic. Okay. Okay, so that's something we can do. So let's start with this add to cart. So generally there is add to cart on every product item. There is add to cart, yeah, and there is name add to cart sauce lab backpack. If you come here to, we have the same thing, add to cart something along with the product name, right? So we can go from here. So I will say copy by CSS selector. I can say copy by CSS selector. Where should we put this? Okay, inside product, right? So let's see. Add find by CSS. No, I don't want a specific product. I do not want a specific product, right? What I want to do is to have a generic list of add to cart. So let's say this is private. I will inspect that again. Private list. So add to cart, right? Add to cart. How this works? Not certain about it yet. So I have add to cart buttons. So find by, let's go back. Oh, there's something I didn't put there. This should be web element. As the list, let's go. So I have add to cart, or specifically add to cart event. Okay. Yeah, we know this is a board thing. Can't use this ID. This ID will not work for all the products. We need something that is dynamic, that will work for any of the products, right? Anyone. Let me inspect this on Chrome. Okay. I got it. Okay, so we will try it out with hold on. Okay, add to cart. No copying element. I'm looking for a CSS property that is ED that can be used for all the products. Right? That's what I'm looking for. It's not specific to a product, it is generic to all the products. Then I can pick it out and use it. Is this what I put here? Inventory, because I know all of these items are under class name inventory. Inventory item name. This is it here. Where is the inventory item name again? Inventory item, yeah. Inventory list, inventory container. Class, price, button, and yeah, I know there is a dot btn. So let's just go by what I'm looking at here. Dots. Dot btn. There should be CSS for add to cart. Okay. Inventory item product session. Okay. Okay, I will go by what I am thinking, but that is an gambling. What would I call it? I will try this out, see if it works. If not, we'll try again. But it's a primary button dot btn, but it's, from what I saw, it was just btn. So I am going to add inventory, but I don't know. Let's see what comes out of this. So what I want to do is I want something generic to all of the products, not a specific product, so that I'll be able to be able to pick any product I want and still be able to add them to carts. Yeah. So I have let's assume this is for add to cart buttons. Then there's another one we have to deal with apart from add to cart. We are talking about product and then add to cart. So there will be another locator for there will be another locator for there'll be another locator for products, right? For product name, let's go back again. So this is add to cart, this is product. And so if you click on add to cart, the other time I said it's even here, but why was it not showing in the CSS part of this? I know they won't write it directly, but then you will see something related to PTN inventory. Okay, this is PTN inventory, but let's leave it as it is. Let's move on to the product. Like I said, there is product name, inventory item name. I saw inventory item name the other time. For product name, we'll go back, come here. So we have a class inventory item name. Let's copy it out. So this is common for every product. If you come here for this, you will see that this is also inventory item name. So I'll copy this. I'll copy this out and call it class name, since it is class name. Then this is also going to be a list, because we are dealing with list. We want to be able to pick any product from what am I typing? Okay, list web elements product names web element. So you see, after you have done all of this, then we'll write methods for them, write the logic, write methods, and then we call them from the test. Right, we've not written the test, we'll write the test. So let's go on. Okay, so what are the actions we want to perform? We want to add product to cart, right? And we want to be sure that the product is available, and we want to be able to add any other product, actually any product at all. So I will say public voice add products to cart. So add product to cart. We take in the product name. Yeah, we'll just put in the product name. Sorry, string product name. So if we take in string product name, all right, and then there are different product name, am I right? And if we are dealing with list, then we have from where the product starts to where it finishes. So if it is on, if the product is on the first position, let's check. If the product is in the first position here, this is considered position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. So these are the list of the product. So in the memory of our code, this one is supposed to be index 0, right? Index 0, position 1, index 1, position 2, something like that. So we can write an if condition and say if this product is on position 0 or much more than position 0, that is from position 0 to position 1 to position 2, anywhere this product is located, then it should then we should call a click on it, that is you add to cart. That is for add to cart method. Then we can write a method to say if the product is available, then we get the product based on the position where it is, based on the index. Now if it is not available, you move on to the next index and then you click to add to cart, something like that. I know I'm just rambling. Okay, so let's see what this can means. Index equals to get product index and say the product name and then I will say if index is greater than or equals to 0, if index is greater than or equals to 0, then I can say add to cart and get the index and get the index can also call a click on it. Oh, I see. Okay, I can do that. I can and create a private. This will not work here. La, la, la. Okay, so I'll come back to you. I'll come back to this place. So you write this method here to do what? To add product card. To get the index of the product you want to add to cart. Then the next one is we check if the product is available. Public void is product available. Is product available. Is product available can also take in this. Is this particular product available? Then return the product index. Not just return this. Get product index, let me say by name. And so I say return this. What am I still having here? Product inc this product int. No, that is not it. So is it available and is it in the right position? We had condition like this. Oh, so return get product index by name, product name greater or equal to 0. Make a return boolean. Okay. Oh, that's true. Alright, so I have that. Then I'm still going to write another method to click add button. To click add to cart. So I will say public void add to cart. Click add to cart. Taking this. Okay. Then we have string product name. If index is greater or equals to 0, add to cart. Yeah, I think that's still the same element to be using. Add cart dot get index. Get index and click. All right, now we have all of this, but of course it has to work along with this get product index. How do we get product index? There is another logic for it. So get product index by name for this greater than this, and it has to start from somewhere. So we use a for loop for int for int for integer I equals to 0, starting from 0, I less than product names, product I think this is where this will come in now. Product names. This is not possible. Product names dot size I plus plus. If you remember your loop, your for loop, so we have if product name dot gets will this work? No, I should call it on the names, all the products. So all the product names dot get the text for this specific one and then make it equal to the specific one. Product equals product name and return index. All right, so we have returned this product. What is this one? Close. Oh, close. There's an error somewhere, right? I have added return now. Sure. It can be return I equals to 0 no. Return whatever. Can be 0. Okay, so we have this method, so we'll call this method, we'll call this method, but we are not calling this method. Why? Because it is a private method that is being used inside of this method. It is being used inside of this method. It's being used inside of the public method. So it is only available for this class. This private method here is only available for this class. It can't be called outside of this class. It can't be called in the test. So we are saying that we want to be able to add any products. All right, we want to be able to add any products by considering their name, the name of the product, and considering their position, saying that if a product is available, then we will check the position. If the position is maybe not available, then it means that the product has already been previously added to cart and we'll move on to the next. and then move on to the next, and then move on to the next. All right, that is what we have written here. So how then do we execute this multiple product thing, or adding a unique product, not just so I will say sd 019 verify add unique products by name. Okay, so we have this. Then we import. Let's import first before we talk about the steps. We have extend the base class. Then after that, then you write your test method. Let's copy this up to point of login. And the login button. So we have this. Verify. Okay. Verify that user can select any product. Okay. Okay. So we have this. So after the login, what happens? So when user login, naturally they see the product page. And when they see the product page, they want to add product to cart. So let's assume we are considering Source Lab Boat t-shirts and perhaps Source Lab Bike Light. So we want to do those two. You've been adding just this one. So, but then let's just see if we can do other products. So we have instantiating of your product here. We say product equals to new product driver, and this product dot, what would be the first thing? Let's see. Our product. So we want to call add product to cart, and is product available. So we do how do we do the sequence? So I will say add product to cart, Of course, you have to remember your product name. What is your product name? We can come here and check for what do we want to use now. This one. So you want to pick copy this. Sorry, Source Lab t-shirt. Source Lab t-shirts. You can also add any other products. Let's see if you can add to. Um, so this second one will not be Source Lab t-shirt. This second one will be let's see this one. Source Labs fleece. Okay. Hold on. There's something I need to check. I think it's telling me this thing might not work as I think. But we'll try. Okay. Let's check our products page object again. Okay. So we'll use this, click to add to, so add product to carts. This we check if it is available. No, this we identify the product name and then it will, and then you can click to add to cart. I will test it for I will test it for just one product, see if it works. If it does, then we can test for two at a time, meaning that I will comment this out and do for just. Okay, let me run this, see if this works. There's another technique I can use. I'm thinking about it right now. Okay, login, add to cart. What? Okay, so this worked. Now really, so we want to add any product, right? I'm going to comment this out and see if this will work as I think. Add product to cart, click products. I'll call this fleece jacket. It's going to be two products that we add. Alright, check for fleece jacket and click on fleece jacket. Check for both t-shirt and click on both t-shirt. Can it be added? Okay, so let's see. Why is it not staying? It's clicked on the cart, and what happened?
And remove it from the cart, then click
Eh?
on the other one.
Ah, it clicked and removed. Maybe it is me that is seeing it. It clicked and then it removed, because it will not remove if you don't, like, it's clicking twice. Okay, I think I may know. Let's do it again. So I will do something. I will say maybe one of these methods are the same. So okay, it's not the same. No, I didn't use the same. It's the same, I think. Okay, let's debug. So I will do this. I will do this. I will use add product to cards. My method add product to cards also has a click. Yes. And my method click at, I see why. Hey. Okay. Whatever, let's just try that. I think I know what is happening. Okay. Um Login. Okay, my theory is right. Okay, so let me see if I can use the if product is available. I have added this. It's because of if product is available. That was why I wrote two methods, but unfortunately, look as if it's just repetition. Add product to cart. I'm asking it to check the position of the product and then click on it. And then the same thing here. So I will comment this out. Make use of just add product cards and also check if product is available. I will use if product is available now, because now that, okay, so I have add product to cards. It has already added. So now that if it is not available, then it should not be able to add it again. Let me see. I will remove this. I will add this product to cards. I will call if product is available. Where is this thing? Product dot is available. Is product available? The same product that has been added to carts. It will no longer be available after it has been added to carts. But if I want it to be available, I will call it before adding it to carts. But because I don't want it to be available, I will call it after I have added it to cart. So I will do this. Then I will say go ahead and add this to cart. Let's see. And I think I can write an if condition here. If product is available, I will run this first though before I start writing anything. If a product is available, go ahead and add to cart. Else, maybe we will not print out product is not available. Let me run this. Okay. Okay. What do I have? Okay, so is my available is not working or what? Um, I added this to cart. I check if this is available. Okay. Oh, that is why it passed. I don't want it to pass. So I'm going to use the same. After adding it to cart, if it will go back to see if you can add it again. That is what I'm trying to target. Okay. So we'll run this again. So you add into the cart, you now check if it is available, and then you click to add it again, but what did it do? Something is not right with my logic. So it passed. I have products. So this thing is added to cart. This product available. After it has been added to cart, it should not be. It should no longer be available. It should no longer be available. Okay, so I am thinking of something that we can do. We write an if condition to say let me think um if if then I pick the method is available from the product page and I say if is available is true, then um then assert true and probably print product is available or go ahead with the test, insert the test there, else assert false. Okay, maybe we can do that. So let's see. I will comment out. I will start from here. I will use soft assert this time around. If you still remember our soft assert, I have equals to, our time is almost gone. Anyway, this is the last test. So we have our soft assert and I say if I will say if products dot is available, if product is available is equals to if product is available, what is what to call, equals should be called here. Okay, I guess that will not work. We have used soft assert before now. Am I right? Let me just confirm what I did. Okay, we didn't use it on any of this. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Yeah, I remember I wanted to use that. Oh, I wanted to use that assert equals then, but I recall that it did not work. Yes, I recall. Now I'm going to use it. I have to use it this time around. So we have. So we this product is available. Is a boolean now. So if boolean to string to string hold on, sorry, correct, dot is available, is product available, yes, is product available dot equals to true, yeah, equals true, yeah, then I have sort assert dot assert true that the condition is true, then I can log something and say log info else. Wonder why this one is still having error. But I have the method already. Products, remove string product name. Okay, remove first parameter from. Oh, I see. Okay, refactor it. Okay, now I will say else to what? Sort assert dot assert true, return false, return false, log product is not available, not available, and okay, now, oh, I know why. Oh, oh, I should have instead of refactoring it to, where is it again, instead of refactoring is available, I'm doing it again. String product name. How cool the this is right now. Public boolean is available string product. Then I know where the problem is. Then I can come back here and say the product name is, yeah. So what is the product name? So we say if this product is available, what is that product again? This product. So I have this product here. So that means I'm not using this line again. Okay, so I have if this product is available, log information that product is available, and probably carry out click on it from the method, then else say it is false and product is unavailable, and probably move on to another product and say source where is another product, let me copy another product, source labs backlight, that's what. Um, so I have another product here. Move on and add this product and then stop the test. So, so I have this. Let us see how this test will flow as we round up the class. Okay. Okay. Good. That worked. That worked. Did it log product is? Oh, that did not work. Okay, I think I may know. It's not available. I think it worked. Because once you add it, it is no longer available. So I think it worked. Because if it return it's available after it has already added, see now, the product is adding is the same product. It has already added Source Lab Bold t-shirt, and you are asking if it is available again. It's no longer available, so it will say product is not available, which is this, and then we add the last one, and that is what we have. So that is all for this week and for the source lab test. Any other test on that page is not complicated. I mean, if you want to keep exploring the source, the most difficult ones has been handled in class. So that is all we have for this training. While your project starts